Hello friends, in this video we are going to deal with how to get yourself treated at home for this COVID. In context of this second wave of COVID in India, healthcare workers are facing a huge burden in terms of number, morbidity and mortality of patients. So home care is essential in terms of the suspected cases and the confirmed cases. Wherever doctors has prescribed home treatment, you can follow the following steps which I am going to mention now. Number one is the rest. Rest is very essential. So when it comes to rest, you can rest yourself in a ventilated room with adequate airflow, so that your oxygen level in the room maintains. That is also very important. Then you can keep separate yourself in that same room. You can have your water in the same room and all your essentials within the same room. Now so far we have talked about our mask, social distancing, hand hygiene with sanitizer and all that now you have to follow for the sake of your family members. So first one is rest. Second one is diet. As we all know, we don't have any diet restrictions when it comes to COVID-19. So you need not restrict yourself in diet. But there are, in this second wave, this variant of COVID virus is showing diarrhea and vomiting as symptoms. So better to keep taking the food which are easily digestible, not complex fat diet. So that will be of good. Third one is fluids, plenty of fluids. The intake of plenty of fluids, especially fruit juices, will help you recover fast from COVID-19, because those juices will have fresh vitamins, especially vitamin C. And while taking this fluids, we can avoid carbonated drinks and also tea and coffee. So that will be the third thing about the fluids. Now the next fourth one is about the home remedies. Whatever which you have taken for the normal flu illness, you can routinely take, like ginger, turmeric, pepper, honey, amla, all those that is Indian gooseberry, all those things will have a positive impact in recovering fast. And also you can take in Siddha medicines, like Kabasura Kudineer and homeopathy, arsenic album and all. So if those drugs are not proven harmful, are neither harmful nor beneficial, so you can use it. Then the fifth important point is about the positioning, that is prone position. That is, you should sleep with your tummy down for half an hour to 2 hours. Then this position should be changed to left and then to the right. Then you can lie down at 45 degree. So this has to, each position has to be maintained for about half an hour to 2 hours. Consciously this shifting should be done. This is very helpful because 75% of your lung surface area will be towards your back, and rest 25% on your sides, and only 10 to 15% will be in the front. So as long as you lie down on your front side, you will recover fast from COVID. This is called as proning positioning of the patients. So this you can do. Then the sixth one is breathing exercise. The experts teach this breathing exercise, but for home patients, the simple breathing exercise is to breathe slowly, hold, and breathe out slowly. So what we are supposed to do is hold, breathe out slowly. So this makes this signals the brain that we are in a relaxed state, and this helps in recovering from the illness fast. So breathing exercise is one such important thing. Then the seventh thing is gargles. So the throat gargles with hot saline water with salt will be helpful. You can use these kind of instruments. This will be hardly 300 to 400 rupees, and you can use it with the simple water, or you can use with any eucalyptus oil or any other thing is monitoring. We need to monitor three things importantly. One is your temperature monitor, which will be done using thermometer. For adults, you can literally feel the temperature, but for children you definitely need a thermometer. Then secondly is your BP apparatus. At least once in a day you should monitor your blood pressure. Then the third is the pulse oximeter, where you will get this kind of pulse oximeter in medical shops, where you will get this instrument for nearly 1000 rupees. So you will get this readings. So here now the reading is showing us 96. So anything above 95 is normal. Here we have one more test called a 6-minute walk test or 1-minute exercise test. So after 6 minutes of normal walking or 1 minute of exercise, if the current oxygen saturation decreases by 5 points, then there is a underlying lung pathology. So you need to go to the admission fast. So that is the indication with this pulse oximeter. So three things we need to monitor. One is temperature, blood pressure, then the third one is pulse oximeter, that is oxygen saturation. So anything above 95 or the 6-minute and 1-minute exercise test is useful. Now we are moving on to the 10th important thing, that is the warning signs. We should look for the warning signs. What are all the warning signs in case of this COVID thing is any chest pain, sudden breathlessness, dizziness, unconsciousness, or any fall, or persistent fever for more than 3 days. All these things you should get admitted and you should get treated with the doctor. As I told earlier, you can do this 10 things for COVID recovery fast, along with the advice which is given by your doctor. You can stay positive, be putting things with a good music, call your good friends which who makes you happy, and see good movies, see good shows. So all these things can be done for being positive. So this positivity helps you in recovering COVID very fast. So wishing you a speedy recovery for you or your friends. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.